Hello you guys, it is Wednesday and I just did groceries, and I believe in my last video I asked for suggestions on new videos, and someone said in the comments you wanted to see a grocery haul or a shopping haul or something. Boy, strap that crazy boy in. Eat, Taylor's eating dinner. Y'all know she want to be all up in the mix. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. We did a little basic Walmart haul. I wouldn't say this is like the summer haul. We probably should still go to Sam's Club, but here's everything right here. And I'm going to show you what we got. I will also share this. CJ and I are buckling down for the month of June. Hold on, I got to respond to someone really quick. CJ and I are buckling down for the month of June. As you guys know or may not know, Carson's first birthday is June 22nd. So CJ and I are going to be working out and eating healthy between June 1st and the 21st of June. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so first thing, we got frozen veggies. We love these. Pop them in the microwave. These are the garlic butter ones. We got more garlic butter. Never have gotten the zucchini blend before. I have gotten the zucchini noodles, but never the blend. So we'll see how that tastes. Gotta get broccoli every time. I love broccoli. The kids love broccoli. Gotta get Brussels sprouts. I don't think I ordered this, but it was in there. But I love Brussels sprouts. And this. The kids love cup of noodles. I want you guys to put in the comments, do you prefer the noodle packs, the ramen noodle packs, or cup of noodles? They hate the pack of ramen noodles. Me and CJ love the pack of ramen noodles. I hate cup noodles, like yuck. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. What do you prefer? And I'm putting up as I talk because like that's Tommy fishing, and I'm all about Tommy fishing.
Where's Tommy fishing? Tommy fishing? Is it the boy who fished? Isn't life amazing, Dad?
Then we also got some turkey bacon. We got 2 packs of turkey bacon. We love this turkey bacon. It is the best.
Oh, it's snacks too.
We got 2 packs of ground chicken. We usually use this to make spaghetti, or CJ and I will just ground it up, season it, and eat it with rice. So a quick easy meal. We got the kids the Black Forest Juicy Burst. This is their favorite. What is this called? Gummies.
Fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks. So I always make it like easier access for the kids. I don't like a whole bunch of boxes in our pantry. So we're gonna dump these in here. That was funny to you, wasn't it, Nani? I knew you would be cracking up. Did on purpose.
What?
Yeah.
Daddy is small.
In my bag. It's about 10 of them in my bag.
CJ be these two, y'all. Not just the kids. So
But it's really for the kids.
this is CJ's, this is the kids. Cheers. For a cereal, we got plain on Applejack.
Yay!
Favorite oatmeal, the cinnamon and spice. Okay, I gotta pause and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is my favorite oatmeal ever. So I have to package this in something else.
Oh no.
So we put our oatmeal in this one. Apple Jack. Don't spill. Don't spill. Don't spill. Don't spill. We got some eggs, some chicken breast. I'm gonna leave this out because we'll probably cook it tomorrow. Got some balance break snacks. Both of these. We got some cream cheese. The kids and I love bagels, so we gotta have cream cheese. We have sandwich bread.
That's for the kids.
For the kids. We love rice. We love rice. And then we got some spaghetti sauce for the kids. Oh, we always get brown sugar oatmeal for the kids. The kids love brown sugar. We do too. But the kids literally only eat brown sugar. Take them all out. They go in here with the others. I probably should have put these in here neatly so they could fit better. All done. Love these. I've been eating these since like high school, no lie. The chewy bars. The water, which is off camera because CJ already put it up. And like, let's be real, too heavy for me to pick up. More chicken breast. We got vanilla almond milk, unsweetened. We love pretzels. Got apple juices for the kids. Ketchup. More drinks for the kids. Sunny D. More drinks for the kids. Chocolate milk. Paper towels. And yes, my kitchen is messed up again. Caught up doing work when I'm supposed to be like checking something else on my phone. Okay. The one thing that I thought they forgot to send, it is actually delivering tomorrow. So I'm gonna pipe down. And that was the kids' goldfish snacks. Crew, what are you doing? It looks like everything else they have, so that's good. It's month end, guys, so I'm like really pushing to help myself close out my goal, but also my team to close out their goals for the month. I have some ladies that are promoting, some ladies who've already promoted that are trying to double promote. So yes, and we're all working toward our trip to Jamaica. I will not be silent. I will always worship you. And long as I am breathing, I'm about to do a devotion, guys. I just feel like I need to. I feel like I need to. Just to like close this month out and to like just be at peace with where I'm ending this month and all. I want to do that. I am literally one customer away from my goal. And I have a girl who's one customer away from her goal, which is like double promoting. So if I can get my one customer, I'm also able to like move my customer to help her, because that's how our business works. So it's just like so nerve-wracking.
Like I said, I'm gonna be making my lunch and stuff, but so some stuff I'm not gonna make because it has to be made in the morning, and I'm gonna be eating rice and chicken, and we have like this thing that like if you warm thermos, if you like warm the rice and chicken before, then you can put it in there and it'll stay warm. But I gotta
Thermos is a thermos.
Thermos, I meant. So yeah, I'm gonna get all the stuff from the pantry and get right back to you. So I finished getting my Yoo-hoo and Juicy Burst, and just put it right in here, like so.
You'll need a fork.
And a fork. My dad got from Qdoba, I meant. So I'll put it right here, and should get some crunchy stuff. Oh, yeah, get it to chew.
You can put it in the pocket right there.
And then do I need some crunch? Do I remember that crunchy thing that's called crunchy?
The chewy bar?
Yeah.
If you want it.
All done getting the chips. I'm just gonna go put it right in my backpack. All done, and then I have to put it right in my backpack. And that's it for making my lunch. Bye.